In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select templates and workflows in Asana 2025. Step by step. By the end, you'll know how to start a project, choose the right template, customize it to fit your team, and launch it confidently. First, open Asana and head to your homepage or jump straight into the team where this project should live. Starting from the correct team helps with permissions and keeps work organized. In the top left, click the plus icon or the create button, then choose project. This opens the new project setup. Next, Asana will ask if you want to start from scratch, import a spreadsheet, or use a template. Choose use a template. This brings up the template library where you can browse by department or goal, or simply use the search bar. Try keywords that match your process, like marketing campaign, product roadmap, or onboarding. Some templates vary by plan, so pick one that's available to you and fits the complexity you need. Then select a template to open its preview. Take a moment to scan the sections, sample tasks, and any custom fields so you understand how the work is structured. If it looks right, click Use Template. You'll now tailor the basics. Give the project a clear, descriptive name, choose the team that should own it, and set the privacy. Pick who can see the project now. Keeping it private during setup can be helpful. Then open it up to collaborators once ready. Consider a consistent naming convention, like team, project, quarter, so it's easy to find later. Also, double-check the team selection so tasks inherit the right access and notifications reach the right people. Finally, click Create Project to generate your new space using the template structure. From here, make it yours. Edit or remove placeholder tasks, add assignees, and set realistic due dates. Adjust sections to match your stages and choose the view that best suits your work style. List for detailed task rows, board for Kanban-style stages, calendar for date-driven planning, or timeline for schedule mapping. Timeline works best once tasks have dates and dependencies, while calendar gives a quick snapshot of what's due when. Remember, the template is just a starting point. You can tweak anything in this project without changing the original template. And that's the entire flow. Start a project, pick use a template, preview and customize, then create and refine. Templates give you a proven starting point, so you spend less time structuring work and more time doing it. If you want, replay any part of this walkthrough as you set up your own project. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Asana.